Picture yourself in the 2019 Ford Flex. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this Flex, the SUV that delivers spacious three-row seating, plenty of cargo room, and ergonomic controls to optimize driver comfort, all wrapped in distinctive low-profile styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera. This Flex offers the perfect blend of spacious SUV versatility and car-like driving. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.